Okay, so this is the last video that you're going to see in this background. This chapter of my life is closed. गुड मॉर्निंग भाई लोग, आज वो दिन आ चुका है जब हॉस्टल खाली करने का दिन है. टुडे इज गोना बी अ रोलर कोस्टर ऑफ इमोशंस एंड आई एम गोना टेक यू अलोंग. लेट्स गो. First task of the day is to go and get some documents printed, so we're gonna go do that. So now we start with the real work, that is cleaning up our room, and real work, that is shifting our room.
Wait up a minute, I think that I'm feeling sick from all this automatic driving to your house. I'm gonna die in LA traffic, watch me crash my fucking car into your couch. Don't wanna finish up this episode before you cut me out. I found a speaker and you know what time it is? Music time. Take me, I'm just living life, I guess a bottle wouldn't break me. Thinking about 1,000 reasons why you probably hate me. I'll be your biggest fan.
भाई मुझे साफ करते करते देखा, ये लिटरली मेरे लॉगबुक के पेजेस है. मेरी लाइविंग अनाटमी या किसी एक लॉगबुक के पेजेस लगाए हुए मैंने. The fuck. Cleaning my wardrobe feels so nostalgic. I'm gonna miss this place. I think a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna miss this place. The thing is, in this hostel, I stayed a lot of times at home and a lot of times in the hostel. I didn't even have a roommate, so I'm not really attached to my intern hostel. Wardrobe is done. Alright guys, the wardrobe is clean. Now let's move on to the next part, that is the table. Okay guys, so fun fact, I'm gonna share something. All those things that I'm emotionally attached to and that can fit in this envelope, I put them in this envelope, and on the top I write a date and important memories, and I store it. Something that I do and I really wanted to share with you guys, and I'll show you my puri collection. This, as you can see, is my collection. सफाई करते करते थोड़ी लग गई है, so I'm going to use the bandages that I found and tape it up together. I just found the holy grail. Money. This is like a dream. Finding money in envelopes when you are cleaning your room. Gold.
भाई चल रही है तो पैकिंग आ गई.
ORS बना रही है. This is what we are making. बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर रहा है, अपने आप पे 5 फ्लोर चढ़ लिया.
मैं बस इतना ही करने वाली हूँ. कुछ का हेल्प चाहिए तो बताओ ना. कोई हेल्प ले नहीं रहे हो सब. मतलब यहाँ 3 लोग आए, काम तो आप ही कर रहे हो, तो हमारे आने का क्या फायदा है.
मस्ती मार रही है
को आप भी कुछ उठा दो. चलो लेट्स गो. सबसे भारी सामान तो मैंने ही उठाया हुआ है.
This is my $1 million shoe collection.
अच्छा,
I'll show it to you when I get 1 million subscribers. क्या लाओगे? Most of the room has been cleared, as you can see. बस ये हमारे रूम की लेगेसी है. ये हमारे सीनियर थे, फिर ये हम लोग हैं, हमारे जूनियर जिसके ऊपर इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे आगे. Okay, so it's finally done. The whole room has been cleared. Everything that reminded me of myself The whole room has been cleared. Okay, so this is the last video that you're going to see in this background. 5 seconds silence for this view. This chapter of my life closed. This is my final round of going up and down, and I'm finished after this. To be honest, now it's hitting me a little bit, and I'm getting a little bit emotional, but I guess that's a part of life. One should get used to change, because change is like the only constant. क्या लाइन बोली भाई, बड़ी बड़ी बातें because as you know hostel खाली हो गया. Now just getting over with the formalities. कम से कम 6-7 लोगों के साइन लेने इस फॉर्म पे, then only I can vacate the room. So let's go. Okay, so formalities के बीच में भूख लग गई, so now we're going to have some. Guys, so Delilah apparently closed, so हम उसके अब साइड में रामेन टॉप है. If you have watched the vlogs, you know ये कौन सी जगह है. So we have come to रामेन टॉप. फन फैक्ट, मुझे मेरी ग्रिल टूटी हुई मिली थी. हॉस्टल वाले दादागिरी दिखा रहे हैं कि ग्रिल को वापस लगा के दो, वेल्डिंग करा के दो, वरना फाइन लगेगा, ये लगेगा. खत्म करो बस, प्लीज़ खत्म करो. तो आई एम गोना गेट इट डन ऑन माय ओन एंड गेट ओवर विद दिस मेस. That's the Shun government hostel. Everyone is there just to loot you. This is my last time driving in front of my hostel, and I'm gonna miss it. Good morning. So today is the last day, hopefully, that we are going to college, and today is also going to be the last day that we are going to see Advika for a few weeks at least. So let's go. And by the way, yes, मैंने अपनी गाड़ी साफ नहीं करी because मैं कल इतना थक गया था कि I was like, let's just fuck it, let's just go to sleep and we'll see it tomorrow. Hopefully आज I'll also go back and unpack this mess. So yeah, stay tuned. So we got a bouquet made for Advika, so let's go and give it to her.
ये सुंदर है.
कैसा लग रहा है? This is the last time आप इस घर पे हो.
इसमें गेस करो क्या है.
Table. You guys have reached. Now let's finish the fucking signs and get it over with. सबमिट कर दिया कार्ड में? अरे वाह भाई. बाय बोल दे भाई एक बार. Let's go and see our old hostel room. So in my older hostel, I was given the room 708. Let's go and see that. Sorry, it was 706. I forgot. Yeah, it was 706. Yeah, these corridors are so fucking nostalgic. Because like, you live in this hostel for 4 years and JRD for 1. So I had like 4 years of my college life in this hostel. And even this corridor is so nostalgic. I love. This was a washroom. This one was Sodi's room. Guys, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही nostalgic हो गया. थोड़ी बात करते हैं माँ. देख तुझे यहाँ रहना है अकेले, ठीक है, ध्यान से रहना है। साइन हो गए एंड दिस इज द लास्ट स्टेप ऑफ वेकेटिंग माय हॉस्टल। वी हैव टू गो टू हॉस्टल ऑफिस एंड सबमिट आवर लॉगबुक एंड डॉक्यूमेंट। पेंचुअन हमेशा कंप्यूटर के आगे मिलता है, कभी रेडियो में, कभी फोटोकॉपी वाले में, जहाँ कंप्यूटर में पेंचुअन मिल जाता है। तो उन्होंने मुझे बोल दिया एक लेट फीस सबमिट करो और उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लगाओ। सो वी हैव कम टू अ फोटोकॉपी शॉप टू गेट दैट डन। ऑल जस्ट गोइंग अराउंड एंड अराउंड इन सर्कल्स। Attempt to submitting the documents. Let's go. Okay guys, so apparently मैंने गलत फीस की फोटोकॉपी लगा दी थी एंड नाउ आई एम गेटिंग रेज बेटेड और मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है। तो मैं फिर से जा रहा हूँ एक नई प्रिंट कराने एंड आई एम गोना गो एंड सबमिट इट द थर्ड टाइम। सो लेट्स गो। Okay, I've got them printed and hopefully अब और कोई बीटी ना हो। Let's see. So guys, this is the third and final time I'm going to hostel office और to be honest इसके बाद मैं नहीं जा सकता। मेरी घिस चुकी है and it's already 2 PM and I'm tired. This is the part that I hate the most about these government institutions cause like ये admin section के बाबू लोग जो बैठे होते हैं they just give fucking weird excuses and make you go round and round and literally तुम्हारी तंग कर देते हैं। It's best to hydrate yourself before you go. Okay, so good news, logbook हो गई है सबमिट। Now हमें एक डे वेट करना है। कल मुझे लॉगबुक साइन होके मिलेगी एंड rest of the formalities will be completed tomorrow. Now we can finally go home, have some food and I'll see you guys. Good morning guys. Today is another day. Today is the last date that I'm coming to this fucked up college. The last date. So let's get over with and let's go. By the way, as you can see मेरी कार की situation वर्ड्स पे वर्ड्स होती जा रही है। I don't know कैसे इस पे सामान आते जा रहा है। I don't know it's been what like 3 or 4 days continuously मैं जब आके साइन करवा रहा हूँ। ये academic section वाले यहाँ से वहाँ भेज कर उन्होंने मेरा भेजा फ्राई कर दिया to be honest. But now we're left with only 2 signs and both of those 2 signs can be done in one day. Hopefully this is going to be the last year. Okay guys, so we have reached the hostel office and let's see अगर मैं आज हमारी लॉगबुक मिलती है कि नहीं। Okay guys, I don't know how but logbook मिल गई है, तो now we're left with only one sign. Let's go and get it done. So what I'm doing right now is कि we have to write all the departments with the date and the number of leaves और ये summary मुझे जाकर submit करने हैं account section. That's what we're going to do right now. One final sign and we can go for submission. Let's go. These are the last times that you're going to see me with this background. All the signs are done. Just the submission part is left. Okay guys, so finally my logbook is finally submitted and I'm done and dusted with this college. I'm gonna film in this background because it's gonna be my last video in this background. So soak in everything that you want to do. Bye bye from this college side. 5 minutes silence for this day. Guys, you have no idea how fucking happy and relieved I am that this thing is done. Because it's been like 4 to 5 days और मैं रोज आ रहा हूँ घर से sign मैं जो 10, 12, 15 sign. Finally logbook is submitted and now we can just cut off from this college and go home and finally start studying for USMLE and relax. Going back home and I was thinking about my college life and all the past 4-5 years and I realized that I'm not gonna miss this place. What I'm gonna miss is the people that made this place home. Like I'm gonna miss Advika and I'm gonna miss these study sessions that we had in RR together. I'm gonna miss us going out and getting a coffee from Big Bow. I'm gonna miss these small little things that made every day. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video on an emotional note and give you a seed of thought to think about. So see you guys later.